Hello, welcome to McBoss Capital Channel. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Friday, June 26th, 2026, 9:23 a.m. Mountain Time, almost 11:30 Eastern Time here. Give me a second here while I load this page. Okay. All right, so Nasdaq is actually was up quite a bit overnight and this morning, but it has reversed. So was it up overnight? I can't remember. No, it wasn't. It was actually down. But it has climbed back a little bit, so it's down only 0%. Dow Jones is flat as well. S&P is also flat, near only down 0.1. Nasdaq volume is higher, NYIC volume is lower. So we'll see where it closes on Nasdaq, because it could be a distribution day if it deteriorates from here. So here we see QQQ. Yesterday we had a strong resistance 1021 day, and that was kind of negative from that perspective because it started out good, but it reversed. It didn't close at the bottom. It closed near the 1021 day line, and today, we gapped down. That's what happened this morning. We gapped down, but we did recover right now. It's still down 0.7%, and we nowhere near the 1021 day line. We did find support at the red line. So overall, it is still negative because we are below 1021 day. So that is the problem. Again, tech stocks also, especially I think chip area are getting sold off today. Yesterday we had good earnings from MU Reaction, Micron, and that was good, but it didn't lift all the stocks though. Like, I don't think a lot of stocks went up, right? But look at SMH yesterday. And look at today, it's down 3.4%. Whereas the QQQ index didn't even show that big of a sell-off. Like it was down, I think 1.5% near at the open, but it has recovered. Let me go to um, QQQ intraday here just to see. Oh, okay. Oh, here you go. We were down quite a bit. Came back, almost halfway, more than halfway. So that's where we stand. But again, we're still below the short-term moving average. So that's the one. And then you can see SMH is below like a little bit below the red line, the pink line, actually, pink line, 21 day. This is not good. Again, we have a huge rejection yesterday above the 10 day. So that is not a good sign. Because 3 out of 4 days we are below the 10 day. So and then the only day we were above, we got rejected. So that those are not good signs. Let's keep going here. Let's look at IGV quickly. There is some security stocks that bounce. Like some software stocks are bouncing, but you can see from the index here, IGV, the software group, a lot of them are probably bouncing from the bottom. Right, yesterday here, new low. But there are some like stocks that are bouncing a little bit, like at least this morning I saw. Let's look, CrowdStrike, for example. Here you go. It's been trading pretty tight. It hasn't made a new low in a while, and today it bounced. So that's a good one. It's not really completely out of the woods because it's still within that tight range there. Here is Okta also bouncing out. This one make new intraday high, so that is good sign. It is still trading at the top range. And let's look at 10B here. This one is actually moving pretty strong. You can see right here. So some security stocks are doing well. Some software stocks are bouncing, but they're bouncing from the bottom. But this group seems like the ones that are leading at this moment on the software side. Let's quickly go to SPY here. Let's just see where it stands. Here we are below the red line. Wow. Yes, we are below the red line. We're bouncing back today. We're near flat, and being flat still put us at the red line, the 50 days. So that is not that good, right? We're still on this huge downtrend here. So that is the problem still. Let's look at Dow. Dow has been holding up recently, outperforming Nasdaq and S&P. It did also have a big reversal yesterday. Today, we're bouncing off the green line, up 0.1%, so a little bit better. IWM. So the question is there rotation? Yes, I do see some rotation happening in biotech, financials, industrials, even retail, some of them. IWM here bouncing as well. Still not green though, but at least it's bouncing. So anyhow, yeah, those two index are definitely doing better. On the stocks on the move, at least I didn't see too many this morning. Let's see, BLFS, that's biotech, INDV biotech. See, a lot of biotechs are doing well. SKWD, that's financial. GBA, instruction building. But that's in the drinks, beer. First Advantage, Core Civic, Academy, Asset Management. See, a lot of financials here, billion to one. Plow, AIR. Let's look at the extended list here. Let me refresh this. But you don't see tech stocks here, that's for sure. Let's see what else do we have here. Um, FBNC, of ULS, that's one tech stock. Not many though. Mercury, ECPG, PGC, a lot of financials again. SSRM. Okay, let's take a quick look at the I don't you know yeah, feel free to go over the biotech stocks. I'll go over that in the weekend. But look at XBI. This is incredible. This is a 7-day run right now. So that's one area doing well. If you want to look at like say regional banks, KRE index, this one is also doing well. 6 days up right now. Um, yeah. What else? Yeah. So you know. So yeah, I'll go over the stocks this weekend. I think there is a rotation happening. Um, Someone was saying Apple had a huge drop yesterday. Where is the money going? Today it bounced back 1.5%, but it was a big drop yesterday. So where is all this money going, right? So anyhow, thank you for watching. Have a very good day and weekend, and I'll see you on the weekend videos. Bye now.